Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Hubitat with Google Home step by step clearly. Open the Hubitat web interface on your computer. Log in with your administrator credentials. Navigate to the Apps section from the sidebar. Select the option to add a new app. Look for Google Home in the list of available apps. Click on the Google Home app to begin the setup process. You will see a prompt regarding permissions. Read through the information provided about the integration. Click the Install button to proceed. Fill in the required fields such as your device name and location. After completing the fields, click Done to save your settings. Return to the Apps section to find the Google Home app. Click on the app to open its configuration page. Locate the Use Google Home button on the page. Click this button to generate a unique authorization link. Copy the link provided in the authorization process. Open a new browser tab and paste this link. Log in to your Google account when prompted. Allow any permissions that Google requests for the integration. Once authorized, you will receive a confirmation message. Return to the Hubitat interface. Refresh the Google Home app configuration page. Make sure your devices are set to be exposed to Google Home. Click on Update to save your device settings. Go to your Google Home app on your mobile device. Tap on the plus icon to add a new device. Select the option to link a service. Search for Hubitat in the list of services. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.